Hey, say hi for the camera.
Hi. It's Daddy birthday now. Now it's my birthday.
It's
We're
videoing.
riding on a train to Dama. And
Yes.
we're going up the stairs.
Mm-hmm.
We're going up the stairs.
Yes.
Now we're going to go to the train. First, we're going boom, 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 boom. And it's going to be nice.
See?
Happy birthday. Hey. Hi. Hi. It's Daddy. Daddy's grandma birthday. Now we're going up the stairs.
Where are you?
It's me right there.
What is this you're on?
The eighth grade.
This is not the aeroplane.
The train.
Train. You're on the Amtrak train.
And we're going to drama. But we're on the train already.
Okay.
And we're going to take it.
Okay.
Oh, Daddy, we ate that. We ate that. No. That's over. Never mind. Not good. Oh no, it's time to go. Oh no. Let's take a work now. And you're at the train. No, 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 no. Don't leave me, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Hey. And I need to run to the train.
We're going.
Hi. And me, my name. I know my stomach. I mean, oh, hey, me. Oh, me, no, me, not. A big wheel.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to train 281 headed to Niagara Falls. At this time, cafe is now open, located in the rear of the train. We do accept all major credit cards, debit cards, Google, Apple Pay, and of course cash. When you come up to the cafe, folks, you must have your shoes on. Also, what's not permitted in the cafe is outside food or laptops. We ensure that your space in the cafe, please do not bring any laptops, or this is not a place to hang out. It's for eating only. Once again, the cafe is now open and ready to serve.
Mommy, we in the water.
No, we're on it.
Where? What's with on it?
To look till you said it.
I do it.
Yeah,
On the line.
Yeah, go, Mona, go.
Hey, go.
Go,
Another.
go, Mona, go. Yeah.
Come on, me. I will see.
Come here to the video in Orleans. Video. मैं को पक्का में पहले सारी मोना. Look this one.
Ready, set, go. Okay. That hurt.
Mommy's coming. Come out the way. Out the way. Out the way. Good. Nice. Wait, wait.
I'm afraid.
The sea lions go in there. They like to play in there. There they go.
That's what I was thinking. So can you tell the difference between a sea lion and a seal animal? Yes, I can. It said read the clues on the letters.
Sea lion, don't swim by real fast. Watch. Real fast. There you go.
What do you think about it?
You wanna go play with them, Sam? No.
Never.
Never. Good. Right answer. Never.
That's big. That one is big.
Yeah, very big.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, you're right. Look how big the horn is. She said
Say
that was
like
big.
That's why you catch a dog. That's
You know they make
Oi, oi. There's one.
Brr. Brr. Brr.
what? Come on. Did you just say that I'm looking around like where's that noise?
I'm gonna put you over there, so funny goat. Huh? You don't feel like your mother, you have beard. Hmm? Yeah, wait.
Golden line tamarine. Yeah. This thing does.
And don't see no monkey. That's a rat.
The big one up there. The big one up there asleep. Way up
Where that
there.
is, go where that is, and you see.
Oh, that's a real big one up there.
That looks like monkey. That looks like cartoon.
Come on, I'm going to go look at it better. Come.
Going in the car, so I'm gonna see the goodbye video. Yes. And then let me film this. Goodbye, goodbye. Thank you for coming. All right. Yeah. Bye. See you next year. See you next year. All right. Thanks a lot. Yes,
Yeah, man, definitely.
I